Hello everyone, welcome to another adventure of Clogs on the Mountain. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. We are Snowdon, well, we are on the top of Gribin, and now we're going to reverse the route. So we're going to make a descent in case you come down the Watkins path and realise you're going down the wrong side of the mountain. I'll show you how to descend on this side. Right, so you got the Devil's Horns on both sides with the summit cairn. We're scaling left of it as it's a bit less steep than in between the Devil's Horns, but if you would come up in between the Devil's Horns, you can see in my previous video. So far pretty straightforward. So stick true to the crest on most scrambles. That's always your best bet. It's a bit more chalky rock and less drops or problems you can encounter. There is a nice little groove over there we can use. For us, we're using this descent route at the moment as well. We were originally planning to go over Iglewit, to only realise we have insufficient amount of water to carry on, so we've called it and making a descent down to the miners path for our own safety, really. Better to be safe than sorry. Iglewit ain't going anywhere. We'll see it another day. Oh yeah. Obviously, as usual, be cautious on descent. But we'll be alright. Sand. What's that shoulder like?
Huh?
It's a bit crustier over here, mate.
This looks alright here.
Yeah? Alright.
It's always good at it, on the crest.
Yeah, the crest is probably more chalkier, better place to hold yourself. As you get the sides, especially on this scramble, the sides are sloping with some big drops, so it is possible you slide straight off the mountain. I'd rather be able to hold myself proper. It would have been nice to have a rope and just abseil down. Oh, hey-oh. That was yesterday with Matthew. Thoroughly enjoyed that. We went on Triffan Bach, and then we did a bit of tread on a diff climb, and then we abseiled back down. It was pretty awesome, that. Pretty awesome. Yeah. Weird that we didn't come across this before. I don't know. Go. Lovely. See, take a slide down there. Oof, you're a gunner. Lucky it's not raining. When Spencer and I went up this in January, it was a bit on the slick side in places. Awesome. Just take your time, mate. Good foot over there. The view on that ridge though, awesome. Not down there, no, mate. Here, to the left.
What?
That goes straight down, mate.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, not that way. That way. That's why I said get out of that gully, because this slides all the way down, mate. Oof.
Nice of these.
Yeah. You can see the where people have been walking. No, not down the gully. see there's several ways that later on, so just bear that in mind what your abilities are. So we're past the most difficult bit of the ridge. We're just going to make our way down the slabs, and then the less steeper stuff. We're pretty much back down at the minus path, so you can descend over there as well. There's a few ways. Ah. Now we've picked up a path, and then we're at the slabs. So at the slabs, loads of options available right here. See a nice little chucky bit. We want to make a good descent and a quick descent as we're thirsty.
Anything goes here, right? Or,
Yeah, don't go too far over to the right. There, this is nice and chucky over here. Just leaning on the slab now. Just lowering ourselves down. The flakes are gorgeous to hold on to. Not go too fast. And we picked up another grove.
so the white stuff is granite, no? Or what is it?
Quartz.
Quartz.
Quartz probably.
We don't make things out of that?
Yeah, worktops.
Tiles?
Worktops, tiles, yeah.
Expensive. You should mine some.
It's not enough of it. Yeah, so in the winter when this is wet, this will be lethal because there's a lot of quartz in it.
Yeah.
Slippery as hell. Down we go. Hoppa. And we're down. We're gonna pick up the path over here now and make our way back to the minus path. So we just made our descent down Gribin. It's pretty straightforward. It's fairly steep, but yeah, it is not impossible. So if you ever stuck up, took the wrong way, like you come from the Watkins, or you were planning to do the Snowdon horseshoe, you're running out of water like we did, then just drop down the Gribin and pick up the path right over there, straight onto the miners path and back to Penny Pass where a car is. So yeah, next adventure you're gonna have to tune in to find out. I'm sure it will be special, as the last few adventures I've had are pretty spectacular. So yeah, tune in for that. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already done so. For now, thank you all for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one. See you later, guys.